Nigerian police don't jump foreign. Now my people no be small matter they happen for here. Now so this man they drive with a white woman. Now so they stop them. Say, let me see your papers. Come see argument. The man bring papers. They check am correct. Let me see your what do they call a driver license. He bring am. They check am correct. Now so they check. When they see say nothing there to check. Hey, get down. I have to search the car. Now so the white woman come start the talk. Say you they do this thing because you know say I be white person. If now your normal people they know you understand. So the woman started. The woman come tell her say, before you search this car, I will search you. Show me your ID card. No, it's correct. I'm going to show ID card. My people, police no grill. They no even get ID card. Make una start to see the shame where we get for this country as uniform person. Because I bring and come on our side so you go see and hear with una own ear. Join me, make we watch the video.
Under arrest.
For what?
Okay. What?
Under arrest for what?
Wait.
Under arrest for what? For what? Under for what? Under arrest for what? Under arrest for what?
No need of shouting.
Under arrest for what?
I don't tell you to keep quiet.
No remember your for there? Is it expired?
No shout.
Is the driver's license not there? You want to start the goddamn car for what?
No, I don't want.
That's my country right there. You have some people I give you. You have some driver's license I give you. Say one search car. You keep anything inside. Okay, make I search you before I search the car. You say no. You unwise, Abi.
This is very wrong, and this is just because I am white in the car.
Can you imagine?
Yes,
You go say I go search you before I search the car.
we didn't break any law and any rule. Have you checked
Your country
documents?
can police.
You
You
say-
have to come down. We want to start the car. You say you can't do it. Say you
Well,
come
in
down.
the for foreign, they get camera.
First.
They get camera
Yes.
for America. They get
First.
camera.
First,
But you don't get camera. What you something inside?
first, did you present any
Evidence
ID?
now.
Did you
Evidence.
present any ID?
Ah,
Did you
go now say
present?
for social media attire.
Did you
Go now
present?
see. Ah.
How should I know who are you? Maybe you just wore those uniform. Did you present your ID? No.
Oga, where your ID card? Where is the ID card? No, this question is very necessary and relevant. Oh. Where is his ID card? I mean, where are the ID cards? She dey right. Because normally, as a uniform person, before you even speak, before you even touch anything or anybody, you suppose bring out. Show. We never see how white people they do it. They go first bring out the card. I am inspector. This. Hey. Like they do our country, our Nigeria always they carry last. I not just the understand when it comes to batting. Hey, who knows whether the uniform where you wear, you go borrow am? How we won't know say you be police if you no fit show ID card? Una don't jam una meter. Every day una they see una fellow citizen, una they misbehave. Person will come from outside where the law is observed. They don't come teach una work. Shame no even they catch them. Shame no even they catch them. Nigeria police no go stop the disgrace us. Everywhere una go, una must represent. Everywhere una go, nonsense things. All this one now because of bribe. Yes. No, check. Assuming these people been get her for mine. Once they bring out 500 naira, una go see say this case go close. Now because of bribe. Even if na small shame. Oh God. Even if na small. Una no fit just and they no say that they video them. Now that part save even they pay me. Not be the first time. They go still say you they video them instead of make them compose or pretend small. They go still they bring their nonsense behavior. It is high time everybody stand for their rights. Yes. And I hope say as una watch and una go learn now. Police people, I hope say una go learn. How police go dey waka without ID card? No, like how? Which kind of zero level of professionalism is this one? Where una ID card dey? Every time you're under arrest. Every time you're under, even if they see you waka, you're under arrest. Why? Now the only thing where they teach you now for this training wanna go. That is if you not even go under training. Any small thing, you're under arrest. The thing they sweet them to come off from mouth. Before, Nigeria they scary. Now, it is scarier. Make us speak English. Now it don't worse. Imagine if before we dey complain now. In fact, I don't even know what complaint self is an understatement. Now we are terribly scared. People wey suppose dey protect us. Now them even they turn against us. Now them even they like Omo. I won't leave this country. Me, I just want to go. Wetin dey happen every day? Wetin no make person run leave this place because of uniform people. Na because of una we dey here. And una go dey talk say police is your friend. Police is your friend. Abeg, not in Nigeria. That thing no dey work for Nigeria. For Nigeria, police is your enemy. I wan leave this question for now because why be say Nigerian police dey sabi ugly, like they sabi war. No, una never. I don check all the police matter wey dey come every day. I dey check them. None of them even fine. Why? If you see Oyibo police, hey, you go just fall in love once. You no understand. No be about their color now. Leave color. Their attitude, you understand? Their character. I'm not to say they dey perfect. Everybody get their own. But I beg, the gap is too long.